Tired of struggling with your weight? Exhausted from trying every fad diet and workout plan out there? What if I told you the secret to unlocking your weight loss potential has been around for centuries, hidden in plain sight? It's true, and it's simpler than you might think. For generations, people around the world have turned to a natural, readily available elixir for its remarkable health benefits: apple cider vinegar. This unassuming pantry staple has been quietly transforming lives, and today we're going to delve into its incredible power, specifically its potential to help you achieve your weight loss goals. Ready to discover the secret? Let's dive in. Apple cider vinegar isn't just a recent health fad. Its roots run deep in history, dating back thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians used it as a cleansing agent and a natural preservative. Hippocrates, the father of medicine, prescribed it for various ailments. Even samurai warriors relied on apple cider vinegar for its energizing properties. So, what makes apple cider vinegar so special? It's all about the fermentation process. Apples are first fermented into cider, then further fermented into vinegar. This double fermentation creates a powerhouse of nutrients, including acetic acid, the key ingredient responsible for many of apple cider vinegar's health benefits. But how does this ancient remedy translate to modern-day weight loss? Let's find out. We've all been there, standing on the scale, dreading the numbers staring back at us. The frustration, the disappointment, the feeling of being stuck in a never-ending cycle of trying and failing to shed those extra pounds. It's a common struggle, but it doesn't have to be your story. The weight loss industry is a multi-billion-dollar giant, peddling quick fixes and miracle solutions that rarely deliver lasting results. But what if the answer isn't some complicated diet or grueling workout regime? What if the key to unlocking your weight loss potential lies in a simple natural ingredient you can easily incorporate into your daily routine? Here's the good news. Apple cider vinegar can be your secret weapon in the battle of the Bulge. This humble kitchen staple has been used for centuries for its health benefits, and now it's gaining popularity as a weight loss aid. It's not a magic potion that will melt away fat overnight, but incorporating it into your lifestyle can make a significant difference in your weight loss journey. By adding just a tablespoon or two to your daily routine, you can start to see changes over time. So, how does apple cider vinegar help you lose weight? The answer lies in its unique properties and how it interacts with your body. First, it helps control blood sugar levels, preventing those dreaded sugar spikes and crashes that lead to cravings and overeating. By stabilizing your blood sugar, you can avoid the energy dips that make you reach for unhealthy snacks. Second, it promotes feelings of fullness, making you feel satisfied with smaller portions. This can be particularly helpful if you're trying to cut down on your calorie intake without feeling deprived. And third, it boosts metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. A faster metabolism means your body is better at converting food into energy rather than storing it as fat. But that's not all. Apple cider vinegar has even more tricks up its sleeve. It contains acetic acid, which has been shown to reduce fat storage and increase fat burning. Keep reading to discover the science behind its magic. From improving digestion to enhancing nutrient absorption, apple cider vinegar is a versatile addition to your health regimen. So why not give it a try and see the benefits for yourself? Section 5. The science behind the magic. How does ACV work? Let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the science behind ACV's weight loss benefits. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has been used for centuries for its various health benefits. But how exactly does it work when it comes to shedding those extra pounds? Studies have shown that the acetic acid in ACV can help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. This is crucial because stable blood sugar levels mean fewer spikes and crashes, which can lead to reduced cravings and more consistent energy levels throughout the day. This means your body can use glucose for energy more effectively, reducing fat storage. When your body is better at utilizing glucose, it doesn't need to store as much fat, which can contribute to weight loss over time. Furthermore, ACV slows down the rate at which food empties from your stomach, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. This prolonged feeling of fullness can help you avoid unnecessary snacking and reduce your overall calorie intake. This can prevent overeating and reduce overall calorie intake. By feeling satisfied with smaller portions, you can maintain a healthier diet without feeling deprived. And if that wasn't enough, ACV has also been shown to boost metabolism, helping you burn more calories throughout the day, even at rest. A higher metabolism means your body is more efficient at converting food into energy, which can further aid in weight loss. But don't just take our word for it. The scientific community has conducted numerous studies supporting these claims, and the results are promising. Let's hear from real people who have experienced the transformative power of ACV firsthand. Many individuals have shared their success stories, highlighting how incorporating ACV into their daily routine has helped them achieve their weight loss goals and improve their overall health. Section 6. Real people, real results. Testimonials from the front lines. Countless individuals have incorporated apple cider vinegar into their lives and experienced remarkable results. Take Sarah, for instance. She struggled with her weight for years, trying every diet under the sun with little success. From low carb to high protein, nothing seemed to work for her. After incorporating just 2 tablespoons of ACV into her daily routine, she noticed a significant reduction in her cravings and finally started seeing the numbers on the scale go down. Her energy levels improved, and she felt more motivated to stick to her healthy eating habits. Then there's John, who struggled with his weight and high blood sugar levels. He had tried various medications and diets, but nothing seemed to bring his blood sugar under control. After adding ACV to his diet, he not only lost weight, but also saw a significant improvement in his blood sugar control. His doctor was amazed at the progress he made, and John felt more in control of his health than ever before. These are just a few examples of the countless success stories attributed to this humble pantry staple. But wait, there's more. People have reported improvements in digestion, clearer skin, and even better heart health. ACV's benefits go far beyond weight loss. It has been known to help with detoxification, balancing pH levels, and boosting the immune system. Many have found it to be a natural remedy for acid reflux and indigestion. The versatility of apple cider vinegar makes it a valuable addition to anyone's daily routine. Whether you're looking to shed a few pounds, improve your overall health, or simply add a natural boost to your daily regimen, apple cider vinegar could be the key. Join the countless others who have discovered the transformative power of this simple, yet effective, health elixir. So, why wait? Start your journey with apple cider vinegar today and become the next success story in this growing community of health-conscious individuals. Section 7. Beyond Weight Loss, the Untold Secrets of ACV. While ACV's weight loss benefits are impressive, it's essential to understand that its potential extends far beyond shedding pounds. This versatile elixir has been linked to a wide range of health benefits, from improving heart health and boosting energy levels to promoting healthy digestion and even enhancing skin health. Imagine experiencing improved digestion, a radiant complexion, and increased vitality, all thanks to a simple addition to your daily routine. Intrigued? We're just scratching the surface of ACV's incredible potential. In the next section, we'll delve deeper into its hidden powers and unlock even more secrets to a healthier, happier you. Section 8. The journey continues, unlocking more secrets. This is just the beginning of our exploration into the amazing world of apple cider vinegar. In our next installment, we'll uncover even more secrets about this ancient elixir and its incredible impact on your health and well-being. We'll delve into specific ways to incorporate ACV into your daily routine, delicious recipes, and address common questions and concerns. Get ready to unlock a treasure trove of knowledge and embark on a journey towards a healthier, happier you with apple cider vinegar as your trusted companion. But before you go, we have one last request. Section 9. Join the movement. Share the knowledge. Spread the health. Don't keep this life-changing information to yourself. Share this article with your friends, family, and followers, and help us spread the word about the incredible power of apple cider vinegar. Together, we can empower others to take control of their health and discover the natural path to a healthier, happier life. Like this video, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest discoveries and unlock even more secrets to a healthier, more vibrant you. Remember, knowledge is power, and when it comes to your health, knowledge is the greatest gift you can give yourself and those you love. Stay tuned for more.